Chapter 5, The Power of Planning and the Value of Information. Step 9, Completion Review. The final step in your Smart Waste Management Plan is a final review of the information. This step should be completed within 3 months of the project finish date. This review is important because it'll help you understand the success of your planning, and you can share this success and the results with your team. You can also identify key lessons learned so you can reduce the amount of waste even more on future projects. Include information on how successful you believe the implementation was. Explain any deviation from the original plan. And calculate the savings achieved. You can also include any actions you think might improve results on your next project. This step 9 also includes a field to use for comparing estimated versus actual quantities of waste. Be sure to indicate that you've completed the review within the 3-month time period after project completion, and check the box to confirm you've included all required information on the page. And remember to save. Now you've completed your Smart Waste Management Plan. On the project homepage, you will see each step with a check mark indicating whether or not the step is complete. Oops, step 5 is not complete. We forgot to check the box after completing this step. Now that our plan is complete, we can review the data that the Smart Waste Management tool provides. From the project homepage, select Summary Charts. These charts provide you with 2 graphical views of the type of waste generated by your project, in both a bar chart and a pie chart. You can also review the volume of waste generated over time for your project. This helps you identify when the most waste is generated. The next tab on your project homepage is the Detailed Information tab. This section provides you with total waste data for the 23 different categories of waste included in the tool. And also, it provides information on how that waste was managed, whether it was reused on site, recovered, recycled, or disposed of. If you go to the Costs tab, you will see cost information derived from your plan. In our example, we didn't take the time to include cost information, which you can see that if we had, we would have had some great data about costs generated by our costs log. And the last tab on the project's homepage is for Reports. You can generate a variety of reports based on a specific period of time in the project, a particular contractor's work, or a particular component of the work. These comprehensive reports help you track and therefore understand the waste generated by your project. Some final tips for using Smart Waste Canada. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. The Smart Waste Canada User Guide is your comprehensive handbook for using the Smart Waste Canada software. Be sure to read the guide as well, which is found by clicking on the Help link.